Now, what is the correct combination of these organisms? Favorite question in Kerala PMT 2011. Plantae, basically algae belong to that. Then fungi, phycomycetes are a type of fungi. Then protista, euglena is a part of protista. Then archibacteria, abhi hum padhe the na, that belongs to Monera. Very simple, right? So fungi mein, there are 4 classes of fungi. 4 classes of fungi. What are they? Lower fungi, sac fungi, club fungi, fungi imperfecti. These are the 4 types of fungi. Phycomycetes जो होता है वो लोअर फंगाई होता है. Ascomycetes जो होता है sac fungi. Basidomycetes are called club fungi and deuteromycetes are fungi imperfecti is what you should clearly understand. Now, what comes under phycomycetes? Rhizopus, you are seeing the rhizopus here. Mucor, they all come under lower fungi called phycomycetes. Remember, once more MBBS में पूरा 19 subjects होता है, which you will study in 4.5 years. One of the important subjects there is microbiology. So when you join medical college, only dream of that stethoscope, nice white apron, and you as a medical student. That's the only thing that dream should remain in your mind while you are preparing for entrance exam. So a rhizopus, mucor, these all things we study in the microbiology once more. Okay. Now, ascomycetes क्या होता है? Aspergillus, yeast, penicillium, they're all ascomycetes. This is a classical example. Neurospora, which is a ascomycete. Basidomycete क्या होता है? Agaricus, which you can see here, is an example of basidomycetes. Whereas the trichoderma, then collectotrichum, the fusarium, they're all the fungi imperfecti, which is the deuteromycetes. So this is one table of the classification, broad classification of the fungus you should remember. Tomorrow, when you become a skin specialist, dermatologist, lot of your patients come with a lot of fungal infections. So that time you will be thinking, oh, those days while preparing for MBBS exam, we studied all these fungi, right? Now, protista mein, euglena belongs to the protista. So where do you find this organism called euglena? Euglena is seen wherever the water is stagnant. Stagnant means without flowing, if it is remaining, that is called stagnant water. एक जगह पे रह गया water, right? That is called stagnant water. Drainages, इधर उधर आपको water stagnate हो जाता. And it is very small and it moves using its flagella. What is very important thing about euglena? Euglena बोलते ही आपको वो याद आना. इनको एक eye spot रहता है. It can detect the fall of the light. Sunrise कब हुआ, sunset कब हुआ, रात कब हुआ, सुबह कब हुआ. इसको euglena पहचान सकता. इसके लिए to detect the light, it has got an eye spot called stigma is what you need to remember. Now, 3 kingdom classification. Who is that great man who proposed it? It was Ernst Haeckel. Is the one you need to remember for 3 kingdom classification. So, how will you remember? Haeckel discovered 3 kingdom. Zia-ul-Haq is the president of Pakistan. Haq, H-A-K, Haq में कितने रहता? 3 letters रहता. So 3 kingdom classification is Haeckel. is what you should remember. So in K classification में what are all those three kingdoms? In 1866 में वो propose किया था. Kingdom Protista, Plante, Animalia. खाली very simple three things he discovered, right? So why Whitaker discovered 5 whereas Huckel discovered only 3? The reason is day by day the knowledge is improving. We are discovering how to look at the microscope. Through the microscope, how can you look at the nucleus? And inside the nucleus, how can you use the electron microscope to look for the DNA? Like that, as the knowledge improved, your classification system also is becoming finer and finer and finer, is what you should remember. So, the three kingdom classification of Ernst Haeckel, you have Protista, which are unicellular, then all plants and all animals under Animalia. So, if you look at the living beings, all organisms which are lacking a tissue system, whose morphology is not very complex, then they have diversified type of nutrition. They are all placed under kingdom Protista. Algae, fungi, protozoa, bacteria, everything he included into that. I am talking about the three kingdom classification of Ernst Haeckel. Then all organisms which have a diverse tissue system, but and also they have a clear division of labor. Division of the labor का मतलब क्या होता है? Skin का काम skin करेगा, liver का काम liver करेगा, eye का काम eye करेगा. जो काम करना है वो अपने का काम अपने ही करेगा, दूसरों का काम नहीं कर पाएगा. And there is a specialist for everything. That is called division of labor. So autotrophic mode of nutrition है तो उसको प्लांटे कहते हैं. Heterotrophic है तो then that is called animals. That is the three kingdom classification of the Ernst Haeckel is what you should remember. The 5 kingdom classification, बार बार बोलो, हजार बार बोलो, 5 kingdom कौन बनाया है सनम? It is R.H. Whitaker is what you should remember. The great man with 2 wonderful spectacles with a energetic eyes. Now, once for UP exam 2010 में भी Whitaker के बारे में प्रश्न पूछा गया. Now, phylogenetic classification किसके basis पे होता है? You know very well, based on the evolutionary relationship. Monkey से chimpanzee, chimpanzee से human being से smartphone. So that becomes phylogenetic system of classification. Natural system of classification, you all will remember the George Bentham and Joseph Dalton Hooker.